god. Good morning, guys. Time check, it's 9:22. And it's gonna be a not very long, but quite a long day today. Kasi I will be going to school, to my old school, for just to visit, honestly. Kasamahan ko yung kapatid ko kasi may gagawin siya something. Tapos, yeah. And uuwi, like we're gonna finish there after mga 1 ata. 1:30 or something like that. And then, when I get home, after mga 1 or 1:30 or something, I'm gonna meet Kyle at a cafe nearby. Kasi, wala lang. We just decided to meet up. So, yeah. Right now, I'm doing my makeup.
Sous le ciel gris, un vent léger. Mes pas résonnent, mais où aller? Une route vide, un sentier sans feu. Chaque détour me semble incertain. Les ombres murmurent, le silence parle. Je cherche des réponses dans ce voile. Un chemin perdu, un horizon flou. Je marche encore malgré tout. Où me mènent mes pas dans cette nuit? Vers un rêve doux ou un oubli? Je ne sais pas, mais je continue. Chaque pas me rapproche de l'inconnu. Les arbres dansent sous la lumière pâle. Chaque étoile guide, chaque étoile s'éloigne.
What ako? Why are you asking me? Oh, show them the pin. Nilagay ko na siya dito kasi. I think that's the best gift. Hindi, wag mo na. Makamaya ako eh. May yung bang... Ito yun? Ito yung perfume mo? May yung bang... God. Magsalita ka. Ano sasabihin mo? Sabihin mo yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, moving on. Okay, go. No, unan yung kay Anika, no? Yan yung kay Jill. Same. Pero like, ibang yung picture kay Jill. Ewan ko sa'yo. Why are you asking me? But like, you got the wrong size. Large siya. Wait, i-open my envelope, pero okay lang kahit di mo basahin yung letter. Kinuha ko pa yan sa album ko, ha? Strategy. Yeah, don't read it. Mahaba yan, 3 pages. 3 pages. Show the painting! I painted that. Okay. Whatever. End na natin.
Yung classmate ko nga, meron kasi siyang friend sa
Don't move your drink.
Okay, meron siyang classmate sa... hindi classmate. May classmate sa ibang section. Classmate ko, may friend siya sa ibang section.
What?
Hulog.
Hey guys, I ordered banana pudding matcha. Huh? Banana matcha pudding. Tapon na siya.
So, tapos,
And overload fries. Oh, pinapakita niya yung biscuit properly. Pagbigyan. So guys, ibigay mo na dun, girl. Ibigay mo na dun. Apparently, wala pa kaming balakulis. So I bought red velvet cookie, and then I bought a drink, a fruit tea. Kasi nagdadaldalan pa kami. But anyway, why would you want to flash? Welcome to Kat's Bag Raid. Her bag. Show your bag first. Because she's a coach. Oh, weirdo. Yes, and then the special feature. The special feature. The special feature. Yes. Tama.
yes. Then, score.
Okay, Almighty Payong. She's the Payong girl. She's the Payong girl. What is that?
Power bank.
And then?
Charger.
And then?
And then, we have this.
What's that?
Binili ito ni Ate Cheska sa Malaysia. Para siyang lock.
Talisman? Something like that?
Parang ganun.
Okay.
Para, to keep you safe and give you wisdom.
Can you eat it?
No. And then, wallet.
Okay. Okay, go.
Tada! Starbucks. Time zone. And then,
Hey, why would you show that?
and then, another to this one.
Okay.
Binili din ni Ate Cheska sa Malaysia.
Okay.
My picture.
Oh, I know this.
Nala.
Okay.
And then,
Who's that?
kami ni Angela.
Whatever.
And then, New Jeans Comeback.
What's that?
That's
Ah.
Pierre Giorgio Passante.
Okay, girl.
Nagkakaroon siya.
Yes, I think the world knows that.
Yeah. And then,
Okay.
cafe near USD.
Okay.
Pumunta kayo doon. Me!
Okay.
Sa time zone namin to.
Guys, I feel so betrayed. Why am I not there? Let's stop this vlog. Let's stop this anymore.
No!
Let's stop this anymore.
No! Tapos, ito. And then,
Nagtatampo pa rin ako.
wala tayong picture na maliit.
Whatever. Meron ako, no?
And then,
Nag-time zone tayo before. Ay, isa lang pala copy nun.
money.
See, sabi mo wala kang money.
Wala akong money.
Guys, inaayaw ko siya magpa-trim.
Ayoko. Magpapahaba muna ako ng buhok.
Eh di dapat sinamahan mo lang ako, di ba?
And then next,
Okay.
yeah. And then, next,
By the way. Ang weird mo. Why do you still have that?
ano talaga to sa ID ko, naka-attack. Parang nire-require ko sa org na suotin siya para ma-distinguish kami as that. Pero
Okay.
kailangan ko ngayon kasi hindi naman siya relevant.
Why do you even have your ID right now?
Kaya brought. Dinadala ko na siya bago. Sinabi kasi ni Mami, dapat lagi kong dala yung bag ko eh.
Okay.
Makeup pouch. Okay, makeup pouch. Braid. Hindi siya makeup, pero ayun. Then,
Nilalaklak niya yan paggabi.
perfume. Oil butter. Mirror.
Okay. Guys, she's so weird.
Blush.
Okay.
Yeah. Fabric touch. Then,
Okay.
face powder. Then, tissue. Lipstick. This is Mary Kay.
Okay.
Then, lip balm.
Okay.
Then, hair clips. Hair clip.
Guys, our table is so full. Who's that? Ah, kala ko picture.
Paracetamol. Yun na yun.
That's everything in your bag?
No, I think meron.
Girl.
Hair clip. And then, earphones. Lastly, necklace. Magsusuot dapat ako pero hindi ko na feel mag-necklace today. So, yun yun.
Okay. That's all in our...
That's all.
That's the stuff in our bag.
Yeah. Kapag kasha ko yung ad dito sa bag ko. Watch me, watch me. Naayos to.
Meron pa siya, the paper bag, but in-unbox na yun kanina.
Yes.
This is my bag. Simple bag. Simple silver bag.
Wow.
It's from Aston.
Ooh.
First of all, I have this keychain. I have this. Ginawa ko lang to. And this one is from Belgium. Teddy bear. Okay, first of all, ang unang mahablot sa bag ko ay basura!
Ano yun?
Saka mucho. Iwan kanina yun.
Okay, go.
Hindi ko na natapon. Anyway, I keep my trash in the bag. Don't litter. So, ito muna. Kasi ito yung nakalabas na yun. I have my camera. This is Nikon. I think, yes. Kasi I heard someone else say
Nikon.
Say Nikon.
Yung iba narinig ko, Nikon.
This is the Nikon/Nikon Coolpix L340, but the battery slots are faulty, so mahirap magano. And FYI, sira na yung flash.
Pakita mo yung badge.
Oh, I have this. I'm gonna give 3 more to my other 3 friends. And then I have this. Oh, it has a sticker here on the side. It's from Art Buds.
Yeah, go to
Na-mention
Art
sila sa
Buds.
previous vlog ko.
Go to Art
Here it
Buds.
says Budding Artists Creative Club. And then next, I have my next camera, my digital. It's Sony Cybershot Steady Shot DSC W800. I have a sticker here. Itong sticker na to, it has
your
Miss
girl.
Edith
Ooh.
for our class project. And then, yeah.
And drop? Mm-hmm.
I forgot. Pero hindi siya interest.
Okay.
Then we have chips from my school.
Ang laki naman ng treats nyo.
30 pesos. Guys, kapag ka private school, napansin ko lang kapag ka private school,
May pera talaga silang sarili.
oo, may chips sila. Like, they have their own currency. And it's a common occurrence to have their own currency.
Yes.
Then I have this isopropyl alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
Mabango siya, guys. Pero, hindi na maganda yung pag-spray niya. Parang kung nagbubulos lang sa bibig. And I have another bus ticket.
Ooh.
It's another basura, pero we're not doing that.
Mm-hmm.
Next, I have this pointers. But it's not mine, it's my sister's. Pinahiram niya sa
Anong print yan?
Ha?
Anong print yan?
Cats. It's from Thailand.
Oh.
Thailand, I think, or Indonesia. Basta, yan, kasi I'm going to attend a debut this Sunday.
Ooh. Yan ba yung Y2K?
Yeah, and then nag-iisip, mag-compute ako, so I'm gonna use coins.
Yes.
Wala akong parla.
Tama.
So, pinahiram sa akin ako dito. And then next we have this, ito lang yung makeup pouch ko.
Ilo-ilo.
Ilo-ilo. And, when you open it, my makeup, my go-to makeup, I don't really retouch when I go outside. I only touch my lips when I'm finished eating up.
Yes.
So I have this. It's been with me for like, since the start of this month. Start of this year. It's Caroline.
Wow.
Drugstore nito, guys. And then, ito, actually, sobrang tagal na nito sa akin. I don't even know where I got this from.
Wow.
Blush lang, pero I don't really use it much. And then I have lipstick.
Mm-hmm.
And then, lip gloss.
Mm-hmm.
And then, this is a lip balm. Nagli-lipstick and lip gloss na ako pagka may pupuntahan na like, more formal. But
Yes.
Kapag ka mag-errands lang ako, like, bibili sa labas. I don't wanna look pale, so lip balm lang.
Correct.
It's from Human Nature, guys. And FYI, yung Human Nature, alam na pala namin siya.
Ha?
Yung may ari ng Human Nature.
Oh, wait.
Nag-graduate na school namin. And then, this Everbilena matte liquid lipstick. It's a gift. And then, eyeliner.
Yes.
Yun lang yung go-to makeup ko.
Uh-huh. Are there more?
Sobrang konti lang yung naman ng bag ko kasi very konti lang talaga yung ganap sa buhay ko. Last thing, I have this, my wallet. Wallet ring!
Go.
Oh, I also have this. I'm keeping this for my junk journal. Oh, not yet last pala. I have this.
Ooh.
I bought a Nick. It cost a lot, guys. But this one is wag mong bilhin muna, di mo kailangan mo yan. And then, Antok always Antok Club because that's totally me.
Real.
And this kid, eldest daughter in an Asian household.
Yeah.
the way. I have a mini small pouch here. And I have this and spare batteries for and then spare SD card.
And then,
And then wallet braid. That's it for my bag. Now it's my wallet. Okay. Here I have the coins inside this pouch here.
wow.
And then money.
Daming pera.
Guys, I'm so broke. I have foreign money. I have
Wow.
$50 baht and 20 baht.
Mm-hmm.
And then my cards. I have my ID from 11th grade.
Wow.
And then fully booked card.
In.
A
Wow.
black card, guys.
Wow.
And then time zone card. Guys, walaan nyo ilang tickets ko.
500.
3,000.
Huh?
And then my ID from 12th grade. And then another card, the last one.
Wow, so holy.
It's a prayer card. And then almighty stash. I have a few stickers here. Ito gift sa akin. And then gift ulit. And then ito, gawa ulit ng class namin. And then I have Almighty Evolution. This is me when I was in 6th grade. And then this is
Ayusin mo yung ayos. Hindi, lagay mo sa dito mo, mukha. Hindi, dapat mauna yung sa baby. Yeah, look at that. Evolution.
And then we have my cousins, my barangay ID.
Ha?
Hindi na natin yung i-disclose.
Yes.
I have pictures of me.
Wow. It's time zone yan.
Yep.
Okay,
And
go.
picture of
Oy.
Kyra.
Wow, so pretty.
And Jill.
Mm-hmm.
And Hazel. And Gio. Bigay ito ni Kyle si Gio.
Yes. Okay, go.
And then I have me and my friends. This is the Godly Trio. There you go. Sa debut to ni Biabi noong July 4.
Ano yan? Magnet?
Yeah, Earth Magnet. And then I have one of my other friends.
One.
And then we have me and my sister.
Wow.
And then me and my sisters. And then me and my other friends. This is Cho, Ian, and me sa debut ni Jill.
Mm-hmm.
And then, tan-tararan!
Wow, busy. Isa-isayin natin. Wait lang.
Wait lang.
Hindi siya nagpo-focus eh.
Ilayo mo. Yung camera. Yan.
Okay, next. Ah! Ayan! And then, okay, next.
And then I have one of me and my cousins. Pero di kami complete. Dapat 5 kami here. Wait lang. This was last Christmas.
That's cute.
Last Christmas. And then I have me and Sally.
Wow. Okay, go.
And then last one would be me and my family. Here.
Mm-hmm.
And then the back one.
Oh, so cute.
Okay. Yung, may picture din kami na ganito, pero kami nila mami, pero yun yung copy na nakikita.
Mm.
So, yeah.
Yun na ba yung lahat?
Basado ko na basa yung mga pictures ko.
Yun na ba yung lahat?
That's it for my background and my orange tray.
Look! Di ba ang ayos? Dapat nilabas mo lahat para ipakita kung gaano ka na kadami yung laman ng bag mo.
Demanding naman ito ni Derek.
Wow!
Pakita din natin yung basura.
Yes!
Ayan.
Yan!
Okay.
What can you say?
All I can say is I'm grateful for the life I have.
Wow!
Guys, we're going. Hulaan niyo sino hinanap ng magulang. Hulaan niyo sino hinanap ng magulang. Saan ka sasakay? Dun sa may summit? Okay. You can para here. Okay.
Nag-move nga lang ako punta dito kasi hindi ko alam paano sasabihin yung direction. Baka hindi nila alam yung pwede sa akin.
Oh yeah. Bihira malaman ng mga tricycle drivers yung mga ano eh. Anyway guys, that is it for today.
Show me, show me.
Oh!
Nakita kasi bumababa, hindi ko nakikita yung parang dito.
Sino yan?
Oh my God! Bakit biglang bumababa ito? Wala man lang warning.
Magbababay na nga lang sa vlog. Ayun po. Oh, phone mo pala to. Bye guys!
You can get through anything in life as long as you have one good friend.
Who's your one good friend?
You, Sue.
Give up forever to